today I will be polishing and taking care of the blade on my NATO military knife. Deeper horizontal scratches I would have to go to a lower grit to remove, but I already did this side in 800 grit, and that is what I will be starting with. So there will be marks left over. After the knife has been thoroughly sanded, the steel on both sides, we can proceed to go through the rest of the grits and polish up the face. The rest of the polishing will be done with 1500, 2000, and 3000 grit sandpaper. As I get into 2000, 3000, I use something like Smith's honing solution. It just helps the blade, polishes it, stops rust. You're done with sanding, you can use some type of compound to polish the rest of the scratches out of the metal and give it that mirror finish you're looking for. Typically when using rubbing compound, the hotter the material gets, the better that it works. It creates a much better reflection. Followed by the compound or a hard cut, I use a very light polish, something that will almost drip off of the blade for final polishing. While I do use this knife frequently, it is clearly not impossible for a mirror-like reflection to be achieved by hand. If you did have a machine, it could go faster. This is more than adequate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.